They say the sea never gives up her dead, but we're not the sea. We're flying high in Florida and Florida Aqua Ventures, and we've got drones that dive deeper than your cousin's ex on Facebook. Today we're diving into what might be Florida's strangest drone mystery, the DJI Graveyard hidden beneath the Hernando beach flats. This spot is notorious among pilots. Rumor has it the winds shift fast, signal gets sketchy, and before you know it, your drone's taking a permanent swim. Every piece tells a story of crashes, near misses, and pilots who flew too close to the Seagulls. No drone left behind. Claudia strikes again. We came, we dove, we salvaged, and we might have solved the mystery of the DJI Bermuda Triangle right here in Hernando Beach. This has been another salty adventure with Flying High in Florida and Florida Aqua Ventures. Whether it's flying high or diving deep, we've got eyes everywhere. Check us out at flyinghighInFlorida.com and don't panic, we have a drone for that.